Hey there, wanted to give you a really quick tour of Datama Spreadsheet extension, which is the latest Datama extension built for Tableau. It's a Viz extension. It works essentially as a pivot table in Excel, except that you can build any calculation you want based on that pivot table that is generated from your source connected to Tableau. This means you can then take assumptions, do calculation, do conditional formatting, do whatever you want and whatever you would expect from an Excel spreadsheet, and eventually everything will change accordingly in your spreadsheet related to whatever you might want to change. This means that basically you can build that using Datama Spreadsheet extension. What you do is you need to give it a rows or multiple rows as you would do in a pivot table. You could give it columns and you could give it values or multiple values. And what you get is a spreadsheet as you have seen just before. And with that, you can do what you do in Excel, meaning you just copy paste cells, change the formatting, change the display, and you basically do the usual stuff that you do in Excel. And that is the very reason why people download your data in Excel. Cool thing is that everything is basically reactive to what you would change. So if you save your stuff and the data gets updated, so if you say you get just 2024 data, the whole thing is reloaded with the new data, and we keep and we save your current settings so that you get them every time. Once you're happy with your settings, you just untick the edit mode, and your final users might see just the data. Everything is free on desktop. If you want to publish on Tableau Server or Tableau Online, you might want to need a license, which you can get on our website or by contacting us. Again, this is built on an open source project called Luckysheet. So that means everything is built within Tableau. There's no data sent anywhere, no saving done anywhere else than in Tableau, so your data is entirely free. Happy to answer any question you may have in the comments of that video, and feel free to send us feedbacks and ideas of improvements. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Bye.